What's up, Kid Too Technical? I'm back again with another video, and as you can see, I have these two cases from Zizo, and these are the Divine series. So we're just going to unbox them and take a look around them on my device. So I have this purple one here. It has a clear back with little colorful flowers. Then I also have this blue one with a little shimmery look to it. So first, let's open up this blue one here. Slide it out like so, and this has some sparkly little sparkles on there. You know, that's nice. You do get your thank you card. That is also nice. And you can peel it has plastic on the back. Peel that off. Man, this actually looks nice. This is just like a blue, clear, kind of shimmery looking case to it, as you can see here. I'm going to place my iPhone 13 Pro Max in like so. So if you're a girl and you like glittery cases like this, this is the way to go. I actually do like this case. It's blue and I love the color blue. So this fits on the phone just right. You do get your power button. Nice and clicky, very nice and clicky. The bottom, you get all your cutouts that you would need. On this side, you do get your volume up and down button. Those are also nice and clicky. You do get your alert slider cutout. That is nice and no problem switching it over at all. You also get a nice deep cutout for your camera. So if you place your phone flat down on the table, you should have no problems. And this case does have a nice little lip on it. So if you place your phone flat down on the table this way, you should be good to go. But I do like this case because it's shimmery, and that is very nice and different. So now we're going to go over to the other one, which is just the one with, this one has the flowers on the back, and it's purple, has a purple rim with flowers. Okay, this one has a little glitter to it also. I didn't know that because on here it looks like it's just the clear back. But this one is the exact same case, just with a different color. And this one has flowers on the back. So if you're into flowery kind of things and shimmery, sparkly things, Zizo is the way to go. So pretty much this is what this looks like. Now this one is a clear back. You can actually see through this one. It has glitter, but it also has this nice flower pattern. Like I said, this is the exact same case as the blue one, just a different design. That actually looks good on my iPhone 13 Pro Max right now because I have a wallpaper that has purple in it. And then it really goes good with the back of my device since I do have the silver iPhone 13 Pro Max. So this is what this case is looking like. You do get nice cutout, a nice area for your volume up and down button, nice and clicky. At the bottom here, you get all your cutouts that you need. On this side, you do get nice access to your volume up and down button. This was your power button, my bad. Over here, you do get a nice access to your alert slider. And on the back, you do have a nice cutout for your camera. So like I said, if you place your phone flat down on the table with that lip, you should be good to go. And if you place your phone flat down on the back, you should have nothing to worry about. So just rate, comment, and subscribe to this YouTube tech channel, and I'll catch you in the next video. I'm out.